Welcome back. I've been doing a little bit of work off camera, and I've originally, I don't know whether you can remember, I was going to bring this detail across here at an angle, but the reality is, if you remember, that hole that was tapped in there wouldn't allow me to do that, so I've decided to put a radius on it. So I've already had it set up, and I drilled a pilot hole through initially, and then did a vertical plunge with this cutter to clear it. I cut the waste away, and what I've done now is I've set it up in the vise so that I can use my horizontal part of the milling machine, because I can clamp it in the vise in a vertical position, and I can machine this detail and finish that off. So I thought it'd be quite interesting to bring you back in whilst I was doing that. So I've already had some cuts. I've got a depth stop, or a travel stop rather, it's not a depth stop. I've got a travel stop set on the table so that it will only come back so far into this detail here. So I'll finish this off, take it down to depth, and then what I'll do is I'll drop the table down, and it should hopefully clean that face up there. So we'll make a start. I'm doing it all by hand. It doesn't really need heavy feed. Going just as it's chattering a little bit, I might just back the speed off on that a little bit. I think we'll drop it down just one and see. That may be a bit too slow. Try that. Music. Chatter on that. I've just slowed it down a bit further. I would have thought it would have been alright at that. I've just got one more cut to take out of it, and then a finishing cut, but right, I'm going to have a fiddle about with that and see whether I can stop the chatter, and I'll bring you back in. Okay, I have put a top clamp on just to support this section here, and I have slowed it right down to 234 RPM, which surprised me a little bit considering it's aluminium. So I've just got to take a final cut on that. So I'll take 1, 2, and yeah, it's okay. Okay, right, that'll do for that piece. I'll get that out of the vise, clean down, and then get it set up for some further operations. I'll bring you back in once I've got it set up.